Hey tubers. Well, since I've got another nice day, I've decided I'm going to tackle some more car repairs. Let's go back to the Camry. Let's hop in the Camry and we'll go take a test drive and you'll see what the problem is. All right, we're having our test drive and let's see when I hit the brakes. Let me roll up the window a minute here. The dog's got her head out the window, having a good ride. And I gotta tell you though, for 192,000 miles, this thing runs fine, shifts smooth. All right, the windows up would make it a little quieter, and no one's behind me. Let me hit the brakes. I don't know if you hear that little boop, 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 boop. But that's what happens every time I hit the brakes, and I believe it's the start of either the warning pad somewhere or just misadjustment, and it's definitely a brake issue. It only happens when I'm trying to brake. Yes, it gets better. The more you use it, the louder it gets. Well, I'm back. Guess who's back? Guess he's back. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Back again. Only experienced people can just whip those right off. Otherwise, you're struggling with prying and all that stupid crap. Now, again, first thing, when you jack up these cars, no frame, there's little notches in the little notches up here in the frame or the body that will tell you where to put your jack. Not on this. Oop. Wow, my depth perception is shot. Oh, that's just terrible. Get your jack sitting there kind of straight and solid, flat. There you go. Now they're off to the races. I still like my tire on the ground when I break the bolts free. It makes it easier. But of course, now that I've got Big Red, I'm just really happy. Ooh, see how the car sagged a little? That's because the jack is not really holding everything up. Huh. There's number 5. She's free now. All right, before I pop that off, and I'm going to, I gotta put some kind of safety here so that the car does not fall on me. Hell yeah. All right, it's now sitting on the jack stand too. Solid. So, let's see what we've got. Plenty of meat here. Plenty of meat, but maybe the tabs are actually rubbing on the rotor. So I'm going to pop this off, the caliper off, and pull the pads out, give them a spray, look at the wear tabs because sometimes they're bent in prematurely, and we'll see what's going on. So let's pop this caliper off. All you need to do this is a string. I had 2 short ones, a ratchet, and I just bring down a full set of sockets. But my guess is it's like a 10, a 12, or a 14. Half the damn truck comes apart with that. They're not frozen. They're not all sticky and gummed up, or at least they should not be. Of course, we'll find out what happens when I actually look at things. That squeaking could be from a sticking brake caliper or something. Caliper side. So, get a knee in here where I've got something to rest this on. A bungee cord might have been a smarter move. But you don't have to bleed your brakes or any of that other bull if you just disconnect the caliper and then hang it up out of your way where it's nice and safe. Close enough. Okay, now these pads are really, really meaty. Wow. I mean, like, these are like brand new pads. What do you think? I think I'm in the camera here. These are literally brand new pads. I don't see anything else here rubbing. The slides go in and out easily. So I think all I'm going to do is just give this a little spritz of brake cleaner and assume that this side is okay. Huh. That one looks a little tweaked. Let's see what it looks like going back in. Put the top in first on this just to make sure. You know, sometimes you'd almost be better off being blind doing car repairs, because many a time you're better off not even being able to see what the hell you're doing. You're actually working by feel. One of these clips is a little sprung, and because I want to make sure everything is factory fresh, putting it in. There we go. There we go. I want to make sure that clip is in there properly. Yeah, I mean, give me a break. That is a meaty, brand new pad. And the truth is, the rotor is not that scored up that it should be making that sound when you brake. See, normally I just put the bottom in and then push the top, but that other clip was sprung up, so now I've made sure that that one is in there extra solid. Okay. I said I'd brake clean it, so let me go get some brake cleaner, and I'm just going to slap it back together. This one looks okay. I'll bring you around to the other side and let you peek at that. Well, I've got this side opened up, and let me just say it's fine too. There's nothing going on here that looks abnormal. The pads are meaty, the spring clips are in, so who knows. Bring the wheel in. I guess I'm spending about, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 minutes the most, it seems, doing a wheel. This is not taking long at all. And if you were using hand tools, maybe an extra 5 minutes. And I say maybe because if you're spry, you might be moving faster than me. Okay, so I've checked the front, both sides, everything's fine. I tell you, I am kind of happy having one of those electric impacts. That's a nice thing. Martha Stewart would say it's a good thing. And then the last thing I like to do, of course, is check them with it. That one needed some. All right, that's it. I actually think I'm going to take it for a quick test drive just to see if cleaning these front ones made any difference. Hey, tubers. Yeah, hey, tubers. What the fuck? I'm gonna call this job done. I'm not even going on to the back brakes. I've taken it for a test drive, and the squeaking's gone. What it appears to me was that when I changed the brake pads the last time, or since I've changed it, one of the little anti-squeak clips had half come out. That's why earlier in the video you saw me under the wheel trying to make sure that clip actually was jammed inside and in the right spot. And now that it is, no chirping. So another job well done. Cost maybe, you know, $1 worth of brake cleaner. Probably if I just pushed that clip back in place, it would have stopped it. I gotta hire better help, that's all there is to it. Well, look, I gotta pack up the tools, put everything in the trailer, and man. So this year, the only thing this thing needed for money-wise was a battery. But you can't really blame the car for having a battery that wears out. That's like blaming it for running out of gas. All right, well, looking forward to not having to make a car repair video soon. Yeah, that's right. And as always, stupid dogs are helping me do this work. Hey, do you like gravy? And I don't mean regular gravy, I mean real gravy. Car riding gravy. Check the mail gravy. I'm really surprised the dog's not barking.